So now our task is to create a poster design using only typography, no design elements, and also no use of photography. So this is going to be a little bit of a challenge. It's really going to stretch your typography skills and working with type, and that's the whole point. So here we go. I just kind of had this little quote that I found and a person who said the quote, and I was going to make kind of this poster out of it. I love when you have type, you can either go big or bold or small and subtle. So let's try a couple of different things and mess around with it. So let's mess around with alignment. Right now this is center aligned, which has its own look, but I almost wonder if we can do a left alignment and kind of have it go down the side. And since typography is the only element allowed, I want to make sure it's nice and big. And I also want to reduce the spacing between the lines. So I'm going to reduce the line height a little bit, make it nice and tight and together. And let's go ahead and draw this out to see kind of where we like our lines. There we go. There's an option. Let's kind of move this over to the right out of the way. So that is an option right here. Let's add some color, and I think there needs to be a little bit of maybe a font change. So let's play around with some font options. That could work. That was Troche. I guess that's how you say it. April Fat Face is a really good serif font. This is a good sans serif font that's kind of condensed. Bebas New. So that could look really cool. I wonder if I can bold it a little bit more. Let's click on bold. Ah, that's very clean. I think I found my font choice. So let's also kind of figure out where we want to put the quote. Maybe tuck it, keep this left alignment. And this might need a font change. Let's use the same Bebas New for that and add a little bit of spacing for the website. And I like to do, this is nice because it's a sans serif and this is a serif font. I like to add a little bit of italics to my serif fonts when it comes to names and quotes and whatnot. So I'm just going to do Bondoni, which is a nice serif font, and I'm just italicizing it. Perfect. So let's add a little bit of color and pop to this, and a little bit of white space between these elements. Maybe put the quote, the person who's quoted there. Maybe switch it up a little bit and put this on the right. So you kind of have a little bit of a call to action that's kind of throws you off because you're reading down the left and all of a sudden you have this thing on the right. That's kind of a neat design method. So let's add a block of color. We can't use photography, but we can do color. So let's go ahead and bring in a square shape and play with colors. So I'm going to go ahead and put this all the way in the back. Click on the back. And let's see, what are some colors that we can use? There's some beautiful blues. I really feel like maybe a red. Yellow would be very impactful if we want this to be a loud poster. Let's play around. I'm going to double click. When you click on this color, just go ahead and double click and it'll give you the color wheel. And let's go ahead and change this a little bit. That's pretty bright and vivid. Let's give that a try. Let's see if we can maybe make every other word white. Let's see how that works. That kind of adds a nice dynamic punch. And we can always go back if we don't like it. Anything to shake things up. So that's an option right here. Kind of put that little bit down. We may want to drag some kind of separation element. So this isn't just hanging by itself. Usually a nice separation element would be a line. So I'm just going to bring in a line over here. Just your first option, it's kind of your generic line. Make it nice and skinny. Kind of have a line right here. And that adds just kind of a nice separation element, a little space. So that's an option as well. So let's just keep playing around with some other options. Let's see. Wonder if we can change this all to white. I'm just experimenting. We may have just found what we liked. And I wonder if we can have the first. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to cut this out. So I'm going to just copy this and I'm just going to delete. And in Canva, you have to have two separate blocks to do two separate things. So I can't just italicize you. I have to cut you out and create a new element to do something different. So I'm just going to copy this element and I'm going to paste what I had in there. So now I have two blocks of type. And I could do different things with this. I could change the font on this top one and have it be different than the bottom. And since this is a logical stopping point in the sentence, change your thoughts, stop, and you change your world. I thought maybe we could play around a little bit with this in a different color or a different type altogether. I kind of like the same type, but I do like the idea of having it be a different color. So that that's an option as well. Keep that one consistent. And another thing is when you feel like something's just not working and it's kind of straight up and down, I love to add a little angle to kind of add some more dynamic action going on in our poster. So let's try just an experiment. Let's angle all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. I've just highlighted all of my elements. I don't need my background, so I'm just going to hold down Shift and click on my background to take that out of the selection. I'm going to group them, and let's see. Let's take our tool here and angle it. I'm just holding this down. So what does it look like if I were to angle to make it bigger? I'm actually going to ungroup it. I'm actually take this element. I don't think we need the dividing line now that we're doing an angle. I'm just going to delete that, and I'm going to take our quote. Just bring it back to normal just for right now. So I like the angle. It really kind of adds a little bit something. We actually even offset it a little bit. So now you're getting really into contemporary design. I'm selecting both of my elements here. Let me group them together. Select this one, hold down Shift. Now I'm selecting both of these options, grouping them together. And let's see if we angle it more, we could actually make the type stretch as big as we can. Ungroup. And I can actually make this a little bit bigger. I may need to highlight the text and make it bigger that way. So that's 106. Let's make that 120 points. And I can even probably reduce the line space between the lines. Just go to spacing and line height, and you can kind of make it even more condensed. So we can make the font bigger and stretch bigger. I'm just condensing the space between the lines. And now I can make this the same font as the one below, which I believe was 120. And we can make it straight across if we wanted to. Angle all the way down. I kind of like it offset maybe. Have this just barely touching. You can have this here. Maybe put the website right here. Kind of have a nice together element. I wonder if I make this white, how that would look. Kind of offset it a little bit. And so you can even add a texture to the background as well. But there's a start. We could actually add shapes and add, let's do that. Let's add a triangle. I'm just in the shapes. Just going to drag just your typical white triangle, or black in this case. I'm going to make it the same color, but I'm going to double click this color, bring up our color wheel, make it just ever so darker. and I'm going to bring it all the way to the back. And now what I can do with this different shape, I can add a little bit of angles and texture. So I'm going to go ahead and move this so it lines up with the angle of the font and make it a little bit bigger. And you could just kind of play around with some different, just so it's just not a boring plain background. You can kind of have just something going on. You could actually, what's great about Canva is you could just easily copy that triangle and move it around on this side. Just like that. And there you go. Now you have this nice highlight. We could double click this, return back to our original red color, and actually make this one a little bit brighter, maybe. Let's make it darker. Let's go to the darker one and then make it darker. So just kind of playing around with kind of contemporary modern layout. You can add texture if you'd like. You can actually bring in a photo.